So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday 25th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices test the 1073 for a perfect test, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come back, pretty much perfect test, from which we have seen the sell side momentum take us below the 1020. We've come down towards this 400 period average, retested 1020 from below, held as resistance, and we have seen a subsequent break of the 400 period moving average, and now we've had price come down towards this 109.50. So if we can break and hold above the 109.50, but then looking for price head up towards that 110.20, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 and 400 period move in averages, from which we could see sell side momentum return to the market. But if we can break and hold above the 1020, we were then looking for prices to retest the 1073 area previously found resistance. If, however, we do break down from this 109.50, the very next level of note to the downside is a move down towards this 108.80, successful break from which, and we are looking for prices to then head towards the 108.13 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the higher time frames. So we'll just have a look at the higher time frame. First we'll start with the monthly. Get scaling here correct. As we can see here on the monthly chart, we found support in around the 104s, from which we have seen a strong follow through to the upside. We came slightly above the 111 previous month. This month again we've had a strong move to the upside, but we have rejected high prices for a second time. So we've gone into a bit of a consolidation at present. So going to a bit of a consolidation after having this strong move to the upside. So we'll see, even though we do have lower highs posted, we'll see where we do see a follow through to the downside coming into the month of July here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. And over here on this weekly chart, we do appear to be forming a bit of a top here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've had a pullback and we've had another pullback pretty close towards that 111, in and around that 111. So if we do see a follow through to the downside, there remains a possibility of seeing a higher low relative to the previous lows here. Lower high relative to the previous highs here on the weekly chart of the US dollar Japanese yen. And we'll just have a brief look here at the daily chart. And as we can see here on this daily chart, we've had price come, previously we went in towards the 1160s, we went into 1140s, had a brief pullback, posted a lower high this time as prices weren't able to break above the 111. We've encountered resistance in around at 1073 also, so we do appear poised for further, despite the fact that we were still in a bit of an uptrend. We appear poised for further downside momentum in prices. Now 108.13 will prove significant, as it is our last major pullback here on from a daily chart perspective. So that 108.13 potentially an area we'll look to find support. Failing that, we could see prices start to head down towards the 107s and the 106s here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.